If you love sourdough and cheese, this loaf might become your new favourite bake. Start by weighing your sourdough starter and water into a glass bowl and mixing them together. Next, add your flour and salt and bring everything together with a spatula. The dough will be fairly shaggy at this stage, and that's exactly what you want. Cover the bowl and let it rest for around an hour. After that hour, work your way around the bowl, gently stretching the dough up and folding it over itself until it forms a smoother ball. Cover the dough again and let it rest for another 30 minutes. Now it's time to start your stretch and folds, which help build strength in the dough. Try to do around 4 sets, leaving around 15 to 30 minutes in between each one. During the second or third set, sprinkle in your cheese and Italian herbs, gently folding them into the dough so that they're evenly distributed. Once your stretch and folds are finished, cover the dough and let it bulk ferment at room temperature until the dough doubles. When it's ready, shape the dough into a batard or boule and place it into a well-floured banneton, seam side up. Now the dough goes into the fridge for a cold ferment. Anywhere from 5 hours up to around 36 hours is perfect. This step develops incredible sourdough flavour and creates those beautiful blisters on the crust. When you're ready to bake, preheat your oven to 230 degrees Celsius or 450 degrees Fahrenheit with your Dutch oven inside. Take the dough straight from the fridge, place it onto parchment paper, score the top, and then carefully lower it into your hot Dutch oven. Bake with the lid on for 30 minutes at 230 degrees Celsius or 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and then remove the lid and bake for another 10 to 15 minutes with the temperature lowered. Once it's baked, place the loaf onto a wire rack and let it cool before slicing into that cheesy herb-filled crumb.